In this video, we're going to take a look at Mystique vertical completion exercises. So conceptually, the idea is the same as it was in the horizontal completions, except this time we're after horizontal reflection symmetry. So step one, what we need to do is recreate the seed artifact that's shown on the left in our grid. And I'm going to use a color-based algorithm to do this. Let's see, I've done all the yellow. Now I'm going to do blue. Notice that I don't have to understand the position of this blue cell right here, this blue brick, in absolute terms, in the sense that it is at 2, 3. I actually understand it relative to this one. It's below this yellow brick right here. A lot of times that's easier. Maybe not all the time, but a lot of times it's easier. And so I'm going to understand this position here, not in absolute terms, but in relative terms. And then this one's pretty easy either way. Okay, so quick double check to make sure I've copied this artifact over correctly. Yes, it looks good. Okay, so now we have this, now we proceed with the completion part. So we have this vertical line, this imaginary vertical line that cuts this grid in half. And I'm going to use a row major algorithm to complete this artifact. And I'm going to start with the top row and add bricks to it until it has vertical reflection symmetry. And in fact, just to say this again, I'm going to add the minimum number of bricks to it so that it has vertical reflection symmetry. So I have to add, for each brick here that's not on this vertical line, I have to add a corresponding brick on the other side. All right, so first row is completed. Moving on to the next one, to place a brick here. I've selected blue, so I'll go ahead and process the blue color part of the row first. And then I'm going to add the yellow bricks here. Next row has just blue bricks. So I got to add one for here. This brick right here is on the vertical line, so it doesn't need an additional one. But this one is off, so it needs a corresponding one on the right. The next row just has one blue brick I have to add, and then the final row down here, I add these pieces. All right, so that artifact now has vertical reflection symmetry, and it was created from this seed by placing the minimum number of bricks. Let's just double check. Okay, looks good. So please go ahead and practice this. Good luck.